Well, here we are at the Black Country Living Museum here. Foundry down there, rolling mills, etc. Also making chains down there. Indicative of the heavy industry that once existed around here. In the Midlands, there we got the pub down there after work, of course, although 12-hour shifts certainly these types of jobs. There we are, various businesses here, the school there as well, primary school, shops, fish and chip shops. There we are, the outfitters there, motorcycle, certainly motorcycles, spares and repairs there, Women's Institute there, and even got some flats. Hello. Chemist down there, Methodist Church, or Methodist Chapel I should say. There we are, got the butchers, bakers and various others there. Here at the Black Country Living Museum.